St. Patrick and there I am today how to do a around the ball 8. So I'm sorry, let's try again. So that's the around the ball 8. So the breakdown, stand the breakdown. So take a butterfly knife. So sorry guys, this is a kind of Balisong knife buy in the Philippines. So let's do. So first, your three fingers, no, and your three fingers, 1, 2, 3, first, just 3, just your finger is there above, then thumb finger is above, the fourth finger is under the handle. So it's been like that. Your forefinger is in above on the handle and thumb finger is in under. So if you spin like that, you're gonna take that slowly. So the lock handle is first. The blade is closer in half, so like that. Let's play. Oh, sorry. And then let's play again. And that is for assassin. And to wait me at the next video. So let's try again. And we'll double roll out your three finger, the thumb finger, and your fourth finger is in under the handle. Four finger above of the handle, and the thumb finger is in under on the handle. So spin like that. If you get, let's try the behind the ball 8. Sorry, wrong. So let's try again. You should try the behind the ball 8. Yeah. So guys, that's all cleared. Subscribe channel and like the video. Comment down below. I repeat, subscribe my channel, like the video, and or like the video or dislike. Comment. Please comment and enjoy the video. So if you get this trick, that you have a good mind. For example, that's close. Around the ball 8 closing. that I can do more to combining all tricks of Balisong knife. And I watch one video on other channel like 30 blades of gray, and that's only. So see you again. Bye. Bye.